Hello friends. So today I'm going to show you how to run a command on a startup in Linux and how to run a startup script. So like how to run a command on a startup Linux. It means suppose if you're planning to run particular some command like any command run once your system will come up. So suppose if you reboot your system and once the system come up that command you need to run. So that how you have to set up, so that I am going to show you today. And suppose if you application user or DBA user or as a system user, if you need like a particular script you need to run, not like manually, you need to run once your system came up, then automatically that script will run. So that also demo I am going to show you today. So like no need to go to run the manually, right? So once your system will come, then automatically that will start that command or else your script. So one thing I'm just highlighting here, there is a many way we can do these things, like we can do through the I can say that cron tab, and even we can create the service, and then we will add that service in a like systemd file. So there is many way we can do, but today video I am going to show you only the rc.local. Okay, so this video only for the rc.local, and rest of cron tab and systemd, that will I will upload another video, and in that video I will explain. Fine. So now let me go to the my server. So this is my cloud server. Let me log into my cloud server, and you can for practice perspective you can use your VM. If you have a VMware, install your system or VirtualBox, anything like so you can test there also. For but my case I am using my cloud VM here. Okay, because it's easy for login quickly. No need to start the VM and these things. So directly I am going to log in here. Okay. Fine. So I have already logged in here. Now let me switch to root user. Fine. You can see I am root user. Let me change the font size little bit. So it will be, yes. Now fine. So now let me go to my home directory. This is my home directory. You can see these are the file. Let me delete this file because I will. Fine. So okay, so what you have to do first you have to go to inside /etc. I'm going to edit that file. So I'm using the vi editor. Okay, so vi space /etc rc.local. Okay, so this is a file, so where you can set your command or a script. So now what you have to do, so you have to insert the button, and so today I'm going to show you here I'm going to add here like a date command. So and that date command output will show in one file once the my system will came up after rebooted. Okay, so you can see I am going to type the message, print the message. So I'm using echo command here. So I'm typing the computer booted up at. Okay, so here I'm going to use date command. Okay, so date space. Now I'm going to store this output inside /home/my home directory, and you can choose your as per your requirement any path here. Okay, and then log file. So this is the print message, and this will date, and this is the path where I'm going to store my output. So I've given a path /home/ Mukesh T. This is my ID. and slash log. So log is the text file. Okay, you can type like this also, and you can type like this also. Okay, as per your requirement. So now I am going to save this file. So before I am going to save this file, you can see here it's mentioned, please note that you must run chmod like executable this rc.local file. So what you have to do, you have to copy this line, and then you can save this file and then run this command. Fine. Now what you have to do, now you have to reboot this system. I rebooted. So you can see as of now my in home directory no log file is there, right? No log file is here. Fine. So let me log into again this server. Fine. So let me switch to root user. Fine. So now what I have to do, let me go to my home directory. So now you can see one log file is there here. Now it's if you put here date to 2nd November 5:55, and it's a created log file 5:45, means 1 minute before. If you cat this file, you can see it's mentioned here, the computer booted at this time. So like so I can say, like any type of command you can use as per your requirement again. So if you want to use, you can use this way in rc.local. And suppose if you have a script, so if you have any script and that you want to put here, so what suppose for example, I'm going to show you here. Suppose you have one log. Okay, so suppose if you have any script, okay, that script is test.sh. So what you have to do, you have to put here sh space, and that script is somewhere, like suppose u01, for example, u01 is a one directory. Inside the u01 there is one db file is there, and inside a db test.sh. So you can give like this. So what will happen, once you reboot the system, then automatically this script will run, so in this way you can add. So so this is rc.local. But in the cron tab and systemd, how we will set up these things, so I will show you in another video. I'm planning to show you like like I will write the one script, and then I will show you through this that script how we will add also in a like rc.local in a lab, in a live, so you can easily understand. Okay, so but this is this video for the demo purpose. Okay, so I hope you like this video. So please subscribe my channel, comment and share it, and please press bell icon, so you will get the new notification once I upload any video on my YouTube channel. So, and thanks for watching. Thank you.